Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app, and we wanted to show you a starter. We wanted to show you if it's worth taking apart or not. Many of you take electric motors apart, so we wanted to show you what a starter looked like on the inside, just to show you the amount of work that there is to get the copper or sometimes the aluminum out of it. So here you see what it looks like, kind of a before picture. We used a shear to cut this in half. Now, a couple things that I'm going to pay attention to here. One, I'm going to look at the casing. This is an aluminum casing, so you could make more money by taking this apart, because when you do take it apart, you're not left with a piece of steel, you're left with a piece of aluminum. That's a win. Now inside, of course, you have different pieces of steel, so you'd have to take this apart on both sides, but by taking it apart, you could make more money, and from there, cash in a little bit more. But here's the copper that's inside this unit. You have this small, let's call it an electric motor with these windings on it. To take this whole unit apart to get to this one electric motor doesn't make a lot of sense. You're looking at less than a pound of material. There might be a couple of, copper screws along the way, and there's another small motor inside here. But if this weighs 10 pounds, you're getting less than 1 pound of copper. Yeah, you're going to get a couple of pounds of aluminum, sure. And then you're going to get a couple pieces of steel that can be upgraded to a #1 steel price. Do I suggest taking these apart? No, I don't do them. None of my friends do them, and we get them in large volumes. These are better suited for companies that are meant to take them apart. So the myth to me is sell them as is. They should be better than an electric motor, but not as good as a starter. So hopefully that gives you a little feedback. This is Tom from iScrap, and I'll scrap you later.